In a town, flower lane was to the northwest of the juice lane. So I'll probably put juice here. So I have juice lane. Flower is to the northwest, so I'll put flower here. Flower lane is to the northwest of the juice lane. Go down lane was to the east of flower lane. Go down lane is to the east of flower lane, which is towards the south of the vegetable lane. This is vegetable lane. South of vegetable lane is the flower lane. East of flower lane is the go down lane. This is taken care of. T lane was towards the southwest of the go down lane. So T lane is to the southwest of the go down lane. Southwest of the go down lane. So that it was situated towards the east of the juice lane. So it is to the east of the juice lane. Okay. So we'll simplify this further. East of juice lane. This is correct. Situated to the east of the juice lane. Condiments lane was 20 kilometers towards the north. Condiments lane. Condiments 20. This is 20. This entire distance is 20. 20 kilometers to the north of juice lane, which was 4 times the distance between juice lane and T lane. So juice and T, this distance is 5. Inner circle was the midpoint between flower lane and go down lane. So this distance is equal to this distance, flower lane and go down lane. This is inner circle. Inner circle. It is also the midpoint between juice lane and condiments lane, which means this is 10 and this is 10. Juice lane and condiments lane. So this is also taken care of. Distance between vegetable lane and flower lane was half of the distance between condiments lane and inner circle. So condiments lane and inner circle is 10. So distance between flower lane and vegetables lane is 5. So that is also taken care of. Now which of the following is towards the southeast of the condiments lane? The only one which is south, no, could be 2. So southeast of condiments lane. So let me just simplify this. I have juice, I have T, which is 5 kilometers away. I have go down here, southwest. This is inner circle, which is 10. This is 10, which is condiments. This distance and this distance are same, which we don't know. This is flower. Vegetable is 5. I've just drawn this again here in a simple way. So what are towards the southeast of the condiments lane? G is to the southeast, same as T is to the southeast. So I have go down lane and T lane to the southeast of condiments lane. Both these are to the southeast. If you see southeast. See, you have flower lane here. So I'm just redrawing. Vegetable lane is 5. Flower lane and inner circle you don't know. Inner circle and condiments is 10. Okay. Now they said distance between flower lane and inner circle is 12. So this is condiments lane here. This is vegetable lane here. This is flower lane here. This is inner circle here. Correct. Distance between flower lane and inner circle is 12. So this is exactly to the north, right? So this is also 12. If this is 12, this entire stretch is 10. This will be 5 because it's a rectangle. This will also be 5. This is 12. This is 5. Hypotenuse will be 12 square plus 5 square whole root. 144 plus 25, 169. This will be root of 169. The shortest distance between vegetable lane and condiments lane is root 169, 13 meters. That is the answer. If you see vegetable lane is in which direction with respect to the condiments lane? You see vegetable lane is here, condiments lane is here, so it is in this direction. So this direction, southwest direction.